We're here in the Angeles National Forest, and I've got with me a handy trail map. And I'd like to take a hike, maybe going to, say, Switzer Falls, which on my map looks like it's not very far, only maybe a mile. But the trouble is, I could badly underestimate the difficulty of this hike because my flat map here fails to take into account one very significant factor, which is the elevation. So, in fact, my simple 1 mile hike could turn out to be a 5,000-foot climb. So does my constellation map fail to tell me about the true distance between two stars. Even though in a constellation they might look like they're right next to each other. In fact, one could be much farther away than the other, and I would never know it if I just looked at the celestial coordinates only.
Like hikers in the woods, astronomers rely on clues to help them gauge the distances in our vast and mysterious universe.
So when we're hiking in the forest, even if we don't have a map that tells us elevation, we can use our knowledge of the local topography and types of trees to tell us something about our altitude. For example, certain trees prefer lower elevation, whereas other trees prefer higher altitudes. Similarly, astronomers use certain types of reference stars as guideposts, familiar guideposts, as a gauge of distance.